And it's Mo, right?
Yeah.
Okay, Mo. I step into it.
At BGE's Fleet Services facility on Windsor Boulevard, I'm getting a crash course in what it's like to semi-suit up and get into a bucket, much like real crews do when making repairs.
I don't know how you would feel anything.
It's a training process.
Hurricane season starts June 1st, and BGE is getting ready with storm drills as part of Maryland Hurricane Preparedness Week,
Just testing our emergency procedures, our processes in place, our communications.
including BGE's Mobile Command Center.
This provides us an opportunity to have our field leadership out there, be able to look at prints, be able to understand the job where the damage is.
And for crews dealing with 13,000 volts at a time, it's all about safety first.
Safety is so important that they blow these gloves up before they put them on to make sure there are no holes, because any tiny little hole leaves them vulnerable to electrocution.
A point driven home by instructor G.J. Johnson, who shows what happens to a glove with only one tiny pinhole.
Maybe we were too lazy to use that glove inflator one day and went up there to work. Now let's see what happens.
Justin Mulcahy says BGE is stocked with supplies, including portable transformers in the event of a storm, and says now is a good time for customers to get their emergency kits ready as well.
Whether it's a battery-operated radio, flashlights, can openers.
So that everybody's on their game and we're prepared when the storm does hit.
Jennifer Franciotti, WBAL TV 11 News.